Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Panibagong check up naman guys for Ranger, ayaw umandar. Pinalitan ng bagong starter. Check natin yung sira guys. So, starter really ng Ford Ranger. Pinalitan na daw ng bagong starter. Check natin guys kung may positive. Yun, may positive guys. Positive. Ito papuntang starter solenoid. Ito positive din guys. Bali ground mat trigger nito papunta ignition guys. So, ito positive dalawa. Ibig sabihin okay yung starter. Ito na sira guys. Starter relay. Papalitan. Thank you guys.